In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Discord no root RTC connecting problem. So if you're facing this problem, there might be various reasons behind it and you can do various things in order to fix this problem. First of all, open the Discord. Simply open any browser of your choice, click on the search bar and type in discord.com, press enter. Or instead of doing that, you can also open the Discord application if you want. If you open the Discord on browser, click on this option, open Discord. After you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to your channel. So if you're facing the no root RTC connecting error, first of all what you can do is simply try resetting your voice settings. For that, you'll have to access the user settings. Click on the gear icon that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At left, you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, voice and video. Now you'll be able to access the voice and video settings. Scroll down to the bottom. Now over here, you'll be able to find this option for reset. What you have to do is click on it. After you do that, the voice and video settings will be reset. After that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply restart the router or modem. Unplug your modem and router for 30 seconds in order to fix the local network issues. Likewise, what you have to do is flush the DNS. For that, open the command prompt as administrator. Click on the search icon that you can see at the bottom. Type in CMD. Now click on this option, run as administrator. After that, the command prompt will be opened. Now in order to flush the DNS, simply type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Press enter. Now after you do that, you can see over here it has been successfully flushed. Now your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try disabling the VPN. If you're connected to the VPN, make sure to disable it. Likewise, also try disabling the firewall or antivirus temporarily. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try disabling the QoS in the Discord itself. For that, click on the user settings icon. Now you can see over here user settings has been opened. Simply scroll down, click on this option, voice and video. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply scroll down. Now over here, if you find the option for QoS, that is quality of service, what you can do is simply turn it off. After you do that, your problem should be solved. So these are basically the fixes for your problem. So that is how you fix Discord no root RTC connecting problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.